Welcome to Lewiston Meadows, the new intimate community in Northwest Greensboro, perfectly positioned for those who refuse to compromise on location. You're just minutes from the essential routes of I-840, Highway 220, and I-40, putting the PTI Airport, downtown Greensboro, and the entire triad within a quick and easy reach. This boutique neighborhood features spacious, two-story, single-family homes designed with the look and feel of a custom build without the price tag. Enjoy open concept floor plans designed with high-end finishes, flexible living spaces, first floor owner suite and prep kitchen options with Pulte's signature life-tested quality. Here we include high-speed internet and cable TV in the HOA for significant monthly savings. Best of all, you'll be located within the highly coveted and top-rated Northwest Guilford School District. When you buy and build at Lewiston Meadows, you will enjoy a personalized on-site design center experience while choosing all of your colors and finishes to create the home of your dreams. From cabinets to countertops, tile, flooring, and lighting, your home will reflect your vision with the look and feel. Nature and wellness are right at your doorstep. You're just minutes from the Spears YMCA and Proehlific Park, as well as the historic trails of Guilford Courthouse National Military Park and the scenic beauty of the Tanger Family Bicentennial Garden. When it's time to unwind, you're convenient to the best the city has to offer. Explore the premier shops and restaurants at Friendly Center, or enjoy the local boutiques, coffee shops, arts, and entertainment hub of Greensboro's growing downtown scene, all just a short drive away. Back home, enjoy a serene community atmosphere designed for convenience and privacy. Lewiston Meadows offers green spaces, paved sidewalks where kids can ride their bikes safely, a backyard retreat for building an oasis, and a quiet neighborhood setting that feels tucked away from the city while keeping you right at the heart of it all. So what are you waiting for? Join our interest list today to stay in the know. You'll be the first to receive exclusive updates on our first home site releases, pricing, and grand opening information. Be among the first to buy and take advantage of grand opening opportunities while selecting the home site that fits your needs best. We can't wait to meet you at Lewiston Meadows and show you why this community is the perfect place and location for you to personalize your new home.